Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Educative. This platform is offering scholarship to their best-selling machine learning track 2000 learners this month. Why this platform offering machine learning course? Because it is most demanding and also one of the most paid jobs. This is a small way from which Educative changing the community in the positive way. Educative focus on just the skills you need for a machine learning. There are not maths and other courses in this track, only coding and machine learning related courses. This is self-paced course and also more than 3,65,000 are already enrolled in this course. And here there is an coding experience, some questions like FAQs. How long will I get this access for? You will get access for learning months for 3 months. What do I need to get started? A computer with an internet connection. What happens when my 3 months are over? You will have the chance to get Educative Unlimited to continue your learning. Who were the courses written by? The courses is the learning track written by Adaptive Lab, and here the most important thing that there is no credit card or any payment details are required to get enrolled in these courses. Now I am going to claim a scholarship. Just tap on claim a scholarship and then it need only your name, email and password. There is not more information required for creating your account on Educative, and after creating your account you are eligible to get this machine learning scholarship from Educative. Here I completed. After that you can log in. There is a confirmation email comes on your email ID. Now you need to verify that. Just go on your email and tap on click here to verify your account, and after that you redirect to the Educative platform. Here is the Educative platform. Now I am going to claim the scholarship. Here you can see in the above there is start learning option. Buy the courses on this platform. You can develop your skills, you can become a developer, and also you get interview preparation courses here. And now I'm going for the machine learning scholarship. Here you can see there are 5 courses in this track. You can see the above message, congrats, you have gained access to become a machine learning engineer. And you can see all the courses which are advanced level, intermediate level, not any beginner level course. But if you want the beginner level courses just like Python or other course, you also get in for free because of this machine learning scholarship. Now I'm going to show you how you get this machine learning for software engineers. You can see intermediate level, total 87 lessons, 8 quizzes, 115 challenges. There are play codes. Play codes means you get a virtual interface to get your coding experience. And this is the detailed course overview. You can see there are many small lessons and there are many contents in this course. Machine learning for software engineers, 2 course in snippets are also here. If you have not much idea for this platform Educative, now I am going to explore some courses from where you get knowledge about the courses or a learning tracks which you get on this platform. Here are some learning tracks. You can see there are many courses in learning tracks. It is just like a specialization or a professional certificate courses on the platform of Coursera. You can also get some basics courses just like Python, fundamentals, Java basics, or any programming or web developing language are available on this platform. You can see the courses prices on this platform is $23, $17, which is almost cost more than 1200 in the Indian currency. Now I'm going to explore the Java course. Here is the Java for programmers. When you go through this course, you get knowledge about the monthly subscription of the courses. Here when you get monthly subscription, then you can access any course. I hope you will also get this machine learning scholarship. And also if you get benefited, just share this video to your friends. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching.